Hey guys, Mike here. I can't stand this Honda Pilot, the Honda Ridgeline, the auto stop feature that shuts off the ignition. So we got this part from the company for our honest review. It comes with the piece that you need, the wiring that you need, and the body pry tool. And essentially all you're going to do is pry up the magnet, your magnetic charge, and unplug it. It's just a little push button connector. You unplug it here and set that aside. Then you have two screws that are up at the front of the console. You take those two out. Just back them out with a Phillips head screwdriver. My suggestion is if you have a magnetic screwdriver, that would help you out tremendously with this. The biggest delay I had was trying to get those screws out and back in. So a magnetic screwdriver would have made that simple. But then it's a matter of just popping the center console up from the back, and there's one connector that's right up under that auto stop or auto idle stop button. And you pull it out. It's just a tab on it. You push down and pull out. And then you take this part that we got and you plug it in between. It's a male-female connection. You can't mess it up. It's great. And then you put the center console back in place. I just checked around, make sure I didn't have any wires stuck in it, and popped it right back on. And then it's a matter of putting those two screws back in the front. Again, magnetic screwdriver would help. And I'll show you as we go on, once we get this all back together. But this will work on a Honda Pilot, a Honda Ridgeline, and the install is the same on both. My father-in-law has the Ridgeline, so it's compatible to both of these, the Pilot and the Ridgeline. Connect the magnetic charger back on. It helps if you pay attention to which side you're trying to work on. I had this one upside down, but once you plug it back in, it just snaps back in place. And then we'll go out, I'll show you what it's going to show you on the dashboard. The other thing I didn't like about the Honda auto stop, when you disable it, you get that orange A on your dashboard, and that doesn't come up now, which I love. So it doesn't look like you have any warning lights on. So we'll go up, back out of the driveway, we'll go up the road, and I'll show you what happens with the auto stop function. So here we hit the stop sign, come to a complete stop, and it'll just tell you that the auto stop feature is unavailable, which is great. So now your performance stays consistent. You don't have that hesitation coming off of a stop sign or a stop light. The air conditioner stays consistent. It works out really well. So I hope you enjoy yours as much as we enjoy this one. Have a great rest of your day.